So today, guys, we got a Harbor Freight versus Snap-on video. A lot of guys are not able to go on the tour truck, so as an alternative, you're able to go to Harbor Freight. And Harbor Freight has their lineup called Icon. So the thing with Icon, let me show you. They make a lot of hand tools almost exactly like Snap-on. So you see here, this is a Snap-on, this is an Icon. Side by side, you can't tell the difference, right? How they able to get away with, I'm not entirely sure. Let me know down in the comments. I've heard many different things over the years. Snap-on has tried to sue Icon. They didn't win. They did win, things of that nature. But all I see is when I go in Harbor Freight, they got their Icon lineup looks just like Snap-on and a few other tool brands. In comparison, I will say both tools do not have a coating, so they're just bare metal with a stencil of the brand. So they both kind of rust the same way. Been trying to use these ones from Icon just to, try them out and see. And so far, so good. I am used to the cushion grip from Snap-on, so I can feel and I can tell the difference when I grab the Icon. But it's kind of one of those things, you can't miss what you never had. If I didn't know any better and I had these, I would get used to these and use them all the time. And yeah, I get the comments where people say it don't matter, but sometimes it does matter because you don't want to get in the habit of buying tools over and over and over again. For me, in my opinion, in my line of work, I'm a professional mechanic, so I'm gonna lean towards professional tools, and I'm in the mindset of not buying it over and over again. So, but home use, I would use these at home. I got a box at home. I got a bunch of tools, and actually, I bought a few tools from Icon already, just to kind of start filling up my box. So functioning wise, they cut just like the Snap-on. Even when you open and close them. If I close my eyes and I didn't know, they would feel about the same. Like I said, only difference is a cushion grip. Guys that are on a budget, just trying to get some tools to get them by, I recommend the Icon lineup. It looks just like Snap-on. If didn't nobody know, would nobody know, right? And Icon is starting to make almost everything. Like you see here, I got a roll full of Snap-on. Icon is slowly making everything exactly the same as Snap-on. Like I said before, I don't know how they're getting away with it. Let me know down in the comments if you know. If you know, you know. You don't, read the comments. But yeah, guys, that's my Snap-on versus Icon tool lineup. So again, guys, thanks for checking out the channel. Thanks for watching.